Hi, this is Coach Tony Morgan, and what we're doing today is some electrical wiring on a boiler and controls. So as part of our training, we're going to be looking at basic electrics, wiring timers, pumps and boilers, as you can see. So Michael's doing some work here, and what we've been doing converting. This is the external or internal timer, I should say, which was on the front of the boiler, and we're now changing it to an external one because this timer here is broken and it's obsolete, so we can't get a replacement, so we're making it external. So as I said, part of his work and training is doing this. This is part of the program. This is part of stuff what you will learn if you come on our mentorship program. So what do you think, Michael, of the work you've been doing today?
Yeah, it's quite complicated at the start, but getting there now, understanding the process.
Yeah, good. And what do you say to guys who are looking to get involved in the bar repair market?
Definitely, if you've done your ACS and you're maybe finding it hard to get a job or looking for even to go out with somebody for experience, recommend giving Tony a phone.
Okay, so you heard it from Michael, who's doing his training. So this is just a quick video of what we're doing, and you can also do the same by joining our program. So just a overview of what we've done. This is what Michael's done. He's wired, well, we've done away with this internal timer and we fit this external timer. So we've done the wiring as you've seen. It's all up and running. So this is what you can learn when you come on the A&R mentorship program.